team, so today we're gonna go over our bicycle crunch. So we're gonna come on down to the ground. This is what it looks like. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. So when we break that down, benefits of this exercise. We're strengthening through the anterior core of the front of the body, with our real focus being on our side abs, or what we call our obliques. The way that we set up is our knees are at 90 degrees, our back is completely flat, and we're just gonna roll the shoulders away from the floor, bringing the fingertips to the side of the temple. We're gonna rotate through the chest, bringing our elbow to the outside of our opposite knee as we extend the opposite leg to 45 degrees. And then simply repeat on the other side. If this seems very challenging for you today, you can regress the exercise by bringing it into a side or a toe tap with rotation. Still coming side to side, still getting that strong twist through our midsection. Our common fault in this exercise is going to be people bringing their knees to the elbow rather than the elbow to the knee. Because now I'm still flat, I haven't lifted off to push the ribs into the hips and contract through those target muscle groups. By bringing the elbow towards the knee, we get more contraction through our target areas, we get more results from the work that we're putting in. And that is going to be your bicycle crunch.